Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Drawlords and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw eyes with emotion. First, anger. To make an eye look angry, you take the top eyelid on the side closest to the nose down, drawing it over some of the iris and pupil. You want to make sure that on the corner closest to the nose, it overlaps the lower eyelid to accentuate the angry expression. Then you will want to draw a very angular eyebrow above the eye. This is because as we frown, the eyebrows are brought down at the inside and outside edges. This is because they follow the eyebrow ridge more closely as the muscles in the forehead contract. Then we move on to sadness. For a sad expression, you draw the opposite to angry. The eyelid on the side furthest from the nose is drawn down and covers a small area of the eye. However, the amount of the iris and pupil is covered more depends on the direction the eye is looking. As you can see in my drawing, not much of the iris or pupil is covered by the extra parts of the upper eyelid that moves down because it's looking to the left and the part that moves down is on the right. The eyebrow is much smoother curve as well, mimicking the curve of the upper eyelid. This is because generally when we are sad, the muscles in our forehead are much more relaxed, and so the eyebrows are not pulled in as dramatic directions across the face. Now we move on to happiness. For me, happiness is the hardest emotion out of these three emotions that I've drawn. This is because there aren't as clear steps, whereas in the angry, you just lower one side of the eyelid, and on the sad, you lower the other side of the eyelid. The happy eye often relies on much more nuanced details to make the eye look happy. It also can rely on the mouth positioning and also what the forehead's doing. So I began with a raised lower eyelid and make the crow's feet, which are the wrinkles at the edge of the eye, more pronounced. These are things that I've noticed when looking at pictures of people laughing or people that are just generally happy. However, in this iteration the eye ends up looking crazy. This is due to a combination of over-exaggerating eyebrows where it was too thick and also having the eyelid too high. The positioning for the pupil and the iris also is a difficult balance to strike because if it is too high, again it looks crazy, but if it's too low, it looks tired or strange because you don't generally see people looking down, covering the lower part of their eye. I end up restarting, and by lowering the lower eyelid slightly and thickening the outside edge of the upper eyelid, the edge furthest away from the nose, it became more happy. The expression seemed more happy and less crazy. Having a less pronounced eyebrow also aided this transformation too. Thank you for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to tell me in the comments if you want to see more tutorials like this one, and tell me what you want to see me teach you. And if you did enjoy, please do like and subscribe, it means a lot to me. And yeah, have a great day.